Hello everyone, my name is Deep Vekaria and I am delighted to welcome you all for today's presentation on topic flexible silicon chip. As a student at California State University Sacramento, I am excited to share you with a brief overview about flexible silicon chip. Before we dive into the details, let me give you a brief overview of what we will be discussing today. Our presentation focuses on flexible silicon chip, a groundbreaking advancement in semiconductor technology. By the end, I hope to leave you with a deeper understanding of flexible silicon chip and their potential to revolutionize electronics. So, the outline focuses on introduction, chip film work, applications of silicon chip, challenges and limitations, features, future, and real-time applications. So, introduction. So, flexible silicon chips, also known as flexible electronics, are a type of electric circuit and that can be bend, twist, and conform or to various shapes without breaking or losing functionality. These chips are revolutionized the field of electronics by enabling the development of flexible and stretchable electronic devices that were previously unimaginable. The concept of flexible electronics dates back several decades, but recent advancement in material science, nanotechnology, and manufacturing techniques have made flexible silicon chips a reality. So, we now, what's chip film work? Like how chip film works? So there are certain steps we follow. Step one. So there are silicon wafer. So first of all, a fine porous layer is etched onto the top micrometer of a silicon wafer, as you can see of the step one. Step two. A 200 nanometer layer below is etched with a porous pores. You can view in a figure 2. Now, step 3. The wafer is then sintered, closing the porous pores into a cavity resembling a hall of pillars. The fine pores on top solidify, producing a smooth substrate. You can see into the figure 3 in a step 3. Now, step 4. The fabricators then build a thin layer of crystalline silicon on the substrate to carry the electronic devices. We move forward to step 5. What's the step 5? It involves the process of lithography. So the standard lithography methods can now be used to construct integrated circuits on the crystalline top layer. We move to step 6. So the step 6 involves the next steps is to etch the trends right through to the underlying cavity, thus leaving the structural bridge on the top of pillars. So the final step, that is step 7, it is a pick and place tool grabs the chips from the above and snap it off the pillars and then remove it from the wafer. So this is the whole process that a wafer, small chip is being extracted, and this is what the process goes on to the chip. So we move to the applications of flexible silicon chip. There are numerous applications that we may see of flexible silicon chip in in our environment, in our day-to-day life. So first application is wearable electronics. So flexible silicon chips are used in wearable devices such as smartwatches, fitness trackers, and electronic textiles, enabling an unobstructed monitoring of vital signs and activity levels. Second application is biomedical devices. Flexible silicon chips are used in medical implants, biosense, and diagnostic devices, allowing for real-time monitoring of physiological parameters and early detection of diseases. Flexible displays is the third applications of flexible silicon chips. Flexible silicon chips are used in flexible displays and electronic paper and enabling the creation of foldable smartphones and rollable televisions and wearable screens. Now, the fourth applications of flexible silicon chip is Internet of Things. Flexible silicon chips are used in IoT devices such as smart sensors, environmental monitors, and connected appliances, enabling seamless integration into everyday objects and environments. In aerospace and defense, the flexible silicon chips also plays a vital role, like in defense applications such as control antennas, flexible sensors, and wearable electronics for soldiers, enabling lightweight and adaptable electronic system. So these were the applications for flexible silicon chip. Now, what are the challenges and limitations of flexible silicon chip? So first and foremost is the manufacturing challenges. So the manufacturing challenges are chips requires specified equipment and processes which can be very costly as well as complex. So the second challenges is performance. Flexible silicon chip may have lower performance characteristics compared to rigid silicon chips, including slower processing speed and reducing power efficiency. The third challenge we face is environmental consideration. Flexible silicon chips often contains materials that are very difficult to recycle or dispose of, posing environmental challenges in terms of sustainability and waste management. Now we move forward to the features. Like what are the features of flexible silicon chip? So we can or able to bend and roll, even twist at a very high rate. The flexible silicon chips are as strong as stainless steel. They are made up of optical transparent. Even very large circuit can be folded into a much smaller part without it being torn or damaged. As you can see on the right side, we have a folding hand which held holding the flexible silicon chip, a roll, as well as a hand and a small part of a chip which is handed, which is in handy position. We move forward. Like in previous years ago back, there were like roll to roll panel type of implementation of flexible silicon chip, which were in which have large device low resolution pattern like 100 micrometer electrical line positioning, which has low cost, but it has a high throughput. But for now, we have a wafer like that is very have a very small device, high resolution pattern, as well as 10 micrometer electrical line, 1 micrometer of positioning. It has very high cost, but we get low throughput. We move forward to future. So what is the future of flexible silicon chip? So the future of flexible silicon chip is in recent advancement in material science, nanotechnology, and manufacturing techniques have led to significant improvement in performance, reliability, and scaling of flexible silicon chip. Emerging trends in flexible silicon chips technology includes the development of stretchable electronics, self-healing materials, and bio-integrated devices for healthcare and biomedical applications. Predictions of the future. So what will be the future of flexible silicon chip? It holds a great promise with potential applications in areas such as flexible robotics, electronic skin, and personalized healthcare device. There are certain real-time applications of flexible silicon chip. We have like we can see, touch as well as hear in our day-to-day life, that are Samsung Galaxy Fold. The Samsung Galaxy Fold is a foldable smartphone that uses flexible silicon chip to enable its unique folding display, allowing users to switch between a smartphone and a tablet-sized screen. The second real-time application is Mediatronic Micra Transmitter Pacing System. It is a miniature pacemaker that uses flexible silicon chip to enable its small size and leadless design, reducing the risk of complications and improving pa- patent comforts. The third application is the TV that we can visualize, that is LG Signature OLED TVR. The LG Signature OLED TVR is a rollable television that uses flexible silicon chip to enable its rolling display, allowing users to hide the screen when not in use or adjust its size to fit different viewing preferences. There are certain other applications we can see in our day-to-day life, like as apart from that, if I want to mention is Intel chip pin, i9 processors, then graphics design, the Ryzen graphics cards. Then, if I want to mention more about the NVIDIA that makes more and more smaller chip, as well as we have high efficiency chip that NVIDIA and all the semiconductor company makes. So that's it from the flexible silicon chip. Thank you for the patience. Thank you for the watching this video, and if